So, how crazy is it that the best trading is actually no trading? And that's something that I want you to process and internalize. That the best trade involves very little trading. It involves you staying out of the way. It involves you not meddling with the stock. It involves you allowing the stock to do its job. Your job in the process is very small, actually. You know, your responsibility is to identify the opportunity that presents itself. Your responsibility is to get into that opportunity properly. And what happens after that is largely the responsibility of the play of the stock. Your responsibility is typically over, for the most part, after you've identified the opportunity and gotten into the opportunity properly. And what happens next is what separates novices and losing traders from masters. The novice will overthink, overreact, over-involve themselves in the process. They won't allow the stock to do its job. They won't stay out of the way long enough. They will lack the patience to allow the stock to work out its kinks. They will lack the fortitude of staying true to their initial original plan or stop. And it is this meddling by the trader, it is this interrupting the stock's process that causes all the trouble in the world. And when you look at Jan's trade and Adolfo's trade, what you can almost sense and feel is that they just weren't there. They got in, they did an ad or two, they adjusted a few stops, but they did not interfere with what Guild was doing. They stayed away from its activity. They stayed on the outskirts of it. So the responsibility of the trader is the smallest of the two responsibilities. The stock has a responsibility and the trader has a responsibility. And I've always told you to think about this, guys. I've always told you to think about this. I've always told you to be aware of the fact that if a trade takes 12 minutes to live out its life, your actions over that 12-minute period, your actions combined together take up a few seconds. So your responsibility in 12 minutes is seconds. And the stock's responsibility is 11 minutes and 50 some odd seconds. It's crazy. It's crazy when you realize that trading properly is actually not trading. Trading properly is staying out of the way. And this is what the novice doesn't understand.